Hi Money Life TV, welcome to my channel. In case you've not subscribed or if today is your first time of coming across my channel, please stick to the end and do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like and share so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be among the first that will receive it first. So today I want to be showing us how we can transfer money from PayPal into our bank account, US dollar bank account, because it's not our local bank account. This is a US dollar bank account. Okay, you can see them right now: Wells Fargo Bank, Community Federal Savings Bank, Community Federal Savings Bank. You can as well transfer to card, to a debit card, MasterCard or Visa card. Okay, so this is what we are going to be doing. From my previous video, this PayPal account, I use my local number from my country to open this PayPal account, which means I'm not using any VPN. Okay, there is nothing like VPN. I'm using everything, this PayPal account. I'm not trying to hide anything from anybody. I'm using it. This PayPal account is legit, though I opened this PayPal account from my country. Normally my country is not supported, like I cannot receive fund with my PayPal account. With the PayPal they issue to us in our country, we cannot use it to receive fund. But this PayPal account, I've been using it for a very long time. I open it here from my country, Nigeria, and you can as well do the same thing anywhere you are in any part of African country. Ghana, Ghana, I think South Africa is supported. They can receive fund with their, but if you are from any part of African country that cannot receive fund with your PayPal, normally you can just send fund, like you want to buy something abroad or online using PayPal. You can only use your PayPal to send. But if somebody wants to send you PayPal fund or PayPal money, you cannot receive in your own country. That is the kind of PayPal we have. But right now, from this video, I am telling you that I've been using PayPal. It's not a rocket science or anything new. I've been using PayPal to receive fund, which means you too can do the same thing. Stick to my channel, subscribe to my channel so that you can know how you will be doing it. You are not going to hide anything. You will be using your local number, mobile number, to open it so that you can receive OTP, and you are not using any VPN to hide your location. So this is it. This is how to do it. You come to here, click transfer. Now you come here, standard, you click it. When you click it, you can see transfer US dollar to you can see PKTC money. This is a MasterCard I have linked to my PayPal. Now you can see Wells Fargo, you can see Community Federal Savings Bank, you can see Community Federal Savings Bank. Now in this one, we are going to be transferring money to Wells Fargo Bank. Now I'm going to hit next. You can see it, available balance, no fee. can see here, no fee, 0 fee, which means we are not going to pay any fee to transfer. Now I'm going to click next. This is it. You will get, I'm going to be transferring everything. Okay. You can see you transferred. Look at it. You transferred 10.11 cents. Done. Can you see that? This is my dashboard right now. You can see it. I don't have any money anymore. See, balance is empty. Okay, you can see I've transferred the money from my PayPal to my Wells Fargo bank, and I'm going to be receiving it. I'm going to be logging in to check if I've received it. Okay, and I'm going to be making a video too about it when I've received the money, and it's not going to take too long. It will reflect in my account, and I can transfer to Money Life TV. Subscribe if you have not done so that you get it. You get my video whenever I upload it. Okay, Money Life TV.